Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Staying hydrated is super important to me, and I love finding something to give me a little extra boost, something a little extra than just plain water. So I am completely obsessed with this lemon water.
I love everything about this Lemon Perfect hydrating water. I think the bottle is the perfect size for on the go, perfect size for like a cup holder or a backpack or something. I chill it in the fridge and then I am good to drink it, and it is so incredibly refreshing and delicious. You can see when I pour it in the glass, it doesn't have any added dyes or coloring or anything like that. It is just lemony goodness. There's no artificial ingredients, there's no added sugar. It is just hydrating and crisp and beautiful. It is the perfect drink for summer. I really love it, and it has truly become my go-to for hydration.
Lemon Perfect lemon water has been my go-to this summer, and I love their different flavors. This pineapple coconut is so refreshing. I am completely obsessed, and I highly recommend checking this out if you are looking for a way to stay extra hydrated, but you want to keep the ingredients nice and simple. I love it so much, but that's just my point of view.